Fatalo fatu America Samoa, ile nei tai au matango fie, tai au tuto oi le lofa maleanga leo le lii. Ia, fatalo fatu foi ile lo loa le atunu, ma ina tau lo au mau ia tunu mau lo, mau mane pro kalama ilunga au penga te whailangi. O le vaenga lua le nei o le pro kalama, wa ta ua le whale la langa o tu fatasia la ofisa o le American Samoa Visitors Bureau. O le nei lava ofisa lo tau tuai tangata ta whao mai i te tonu si o tata watanu. I le nei la tai au, i le whaawa wina o tata prokalame. Ia, wa tu sa o atu le nei prokalama i nei leone, i le o ngā lau ele matango o fia ta o sina, o ma whaatasi tua i fo i malatua fine, ia Regina, Antoinette, Meredith Fitiao, o lona maota nei leone. Ia, e pei lava se museum, o lo ia ia na ngā luenga tau artisi, ia ma o le a whaawawa i fo i le matana noanga e winga i Siapo. Good morning, Reggie.
Good morning, welcome back.
How are you?
I'm doing very well, thank you.
E ele ma talanoanga te mi watua nai. Sa ma talanoa ele au ngā o tua a. The importance of those who had gone or had come before us.
Yes.
And we wanted to pay tribute to 4 of those people. We forgot the last time.
Yes.
O le amatulala vanoa i le tua fine ia Reggie. E talanoa tua ia Auntie Adeline.
Yes.
Auntie Marilyn, ia whapea Auntie Tupu.
Right.
Whaptai fo i nei vai tawo, tato mafuta fo i martina ia Tupu. Ia ai me se fo i le sunga ia Sivan Ortquist. Ia onisi nei o atisi sa lawiloa i tato watinu ia lato fo i ngā luenga. Say something about those who had gone before us, Reg.
Yes, thank you so much, Boy. I just have to acknowledge and give thanks to the masters who really helped to pave the way, especially for me in the arts. And it was Auntie Marilyn and Auntie Adeline who continued to perpetuate the arts with me and came and gave of their knowledge from Auntie Mary in doing Siapo. And then Sven Ortquist, who was the master wood carver, who also inspired young people, all of us, to look at wood and to think in wood when we would wood carve, like upeti and some of the 3-dimensional carving. And then also Auntie Tupu Tuyasasopo, who came and showed us how to do ele. I still do my ele that way, you know. And if it hadn't been for them willing to give of their knowledge and know-how, for myself, I wouldn't be in the position I am as an educator in the Samoan arts the way I am, especially in Siapo, and then of course the ele.
Well, le sila le me whaataua ina i le taumawhai e whaasoa pe tufa. Wai e le situa i ngā matua fo i le e uu, pe 5 uu, le manao e whaasoa. Ai o le anganga fo o nei prokalama. Wa ana le whaasoa mai fo i nā tina o le atunu, matama o le atunu. Ia e le mwhai o na whaawawina la tau ngā luenga whaatisi. O le sila nei vaenga o tātou prokalama. O le amatala noa i po a me whaonga ina mani tātou lau whanua. What do we use from our natural environment? Ngā o sia ai meni o Siapo.
That's right.
So Reg, we start with ua.
Yes.
Well, what is that book? Say something about the book you have
well,
there.
I will get to this. This is a very interesting little story that will take a little diversion. But just to answer your question for the paper mulberry, this is our main, this is like our canvas. And the ua is a beautiful material that it grows out in the yard, and you have to take care of it. I mean, and that is like, you see these little holes, but it's actually the leaves that might be growing, and the Siapo makers will take and pinch off the leaves and the small branches so that there's less of these in the ua when they go to harvest. And it's about 10 months that they harvest. There's
walawa nei e mawai tono tātou lau whanua, ia wawai mai Amerika Samoa, e le alwai se tupe. Ia e te latu lava au mai ia na whaongarola. Ia, what about the dyes?
Yes, so, well, just with the ua, it's very strong and durable one way, and then it has its ability to tear when you're looking at it the other.
And this is what we use to wear as, right?
Yes. But you know the Siapo makers.
O mela ne sa wat foi sa la e tātou atu nui la ia so wa ofu nei o me mai pālangi.
Yes.
But this
So-
this was the material.
This is the material, and the siapo makers always did 2-ply. So,
Oh.
ole lafi ilalo, lafi ilunga, e kufa apea, they would put them together opposite directions to make it very strong. So if you're wearing it, it was strong and durable. It would be long lasting, and that's how the siapo
That's
makers
amazing, ah.
did their siapo.
Ia le tama mai foi o tātou tua a le ngā singa o le nei, o le ua i mawhai e ona. Ai alu ala mau lava le la e a oe a. And what is that?
And then the dyes. You were asking something about the dyes. I want to show you.
But what about that? The fruit there. So that's
Okay, you want to start with that?
yes.
Okay, because it's
It's
beautiful.
like a kiwi fruit.
So this is loa. This is the red. This is what we get our red dye from. And Auntie Mary would mix sometimes the red with the oa. Now this is the main dye, and I know it's in a fangu right now. It's in a bottle. We just squeezed this. It's fresh squeezed. And if you smell it, it's very pungent. But this brown, this is the oa. And if you just take a smell of it, you'll know it's a little pungent. But the natural, you know, if
Yeah,
you smell
yeah.
that in the if somebody's using that, they're making siapo.
Okay.
Because that's a very distinct scent of the brown dye. And sometimes the siapo makers, they like to mix the red, the lipstick tree, with the brown and make it like a reddish brown.
Okay.
Mangaili.
Ia o tātou ai mai la America Samoa. Ia o nei lava mea uma. O lo maua tono tātou si o manga. E mana o mia foi la le fai whaalei o tātou si o manga wa lo o mawai ia mea nei ngā o si ai vali e vali ele siapo.
Yeah, so when they open this and it's ready to harvest, inside are the small berries that
Okay.
make the red. And you know, when I used to see people put this in their hair to make like their red hair. Or put
Lipstick.
lipstick.
Ia ma ai e tina Samoa. E tau le alo e ave se tupe e vali se whatau mai se vali lau ngutu se tu lor fale o loa. Ala I fual tai au, ia whaongari mele, vali e o fonga, ia po lau ngutu se
So
tu lor.
beautiful.
Beautiful. And it's natural. No chemicals,
No
right?
chemicals, it's natural.
Ia vai la le
So
mana ia.
again, to take care of the different trees and plants. Yeah, o le mea lea, o le
Feel,
lenga.
that-
Yeah,
oh.
it smells really good. This is the
Len-
ango.
Ango, not
And then,
lenga.
and then when you make it, it becomes lenga,
Oh,
the
yeah.
yellow, and it's a turmeric. It's like a
Turmeric.
turmeric, and they use it for cooking, but it makes the beautiful yellow for
Wow.
the siapo making.
Okay.
Yes.
O le ala la
So-
matala noa ma le sunga Reggie I siapo ese mai I Pasifika. Wai whaapea foi tātou pe kai kusaka ko siapo ma konga, po fiki, Marshall Islands. Okay,
ese.
you know, we love to do show and tell because we're teachers. So,
Right.
But before we go there, we
one-
have the brush.
Yes.
Tere foi
paongo.
paongo.
Nga.
Ja, e mantua foi lai, o te mantua ia Auntie Mary Pritchard, yes, si familia ia na. Mai lo la ia le loi le vali ia
Yep.
ma fai e lau
Yep.
siapo. Ia vai. Ale ai foi se me fai e o ful mata se tulo. Ia, mana ele alo se tupe. O mea la vai mo wa tono tato si o manga. Okay, Reg, let's do the show and tell.
Show and tell, oh,
Yeah.
right. So we always want we want everybody always to know differences. So here's an example of Easter Island, Mahute. You know, they use it's hard for them to grow their ua.
Oh, okay.
So that some of their artwork is small from the Easter Islands, Rapa Nui.
Rapa Nui,
Yeah, Rapa
Rapa
Nui.
Nui.
Yeah. Yeah, ole mea dea, ole kapa, like Hawaii. This is from Hawaii, kapa. And you'll notice
For
that
this one, they use the sticks.
yes, they use like a bamboo. They carve into the little bamboo sticks, and they make their mamanu using the stamp style technique. I'll just show you another one. This is Hawaiian kapa. And I used to work with the ladies, the women of Hawaii, Moana Isley Kalofai. She's
yeah.
passed on now. So these are two of her examples that I was able to put into our collection. And then we have a lot. We have a big community here of Fijians. So this is Masi.
Yeah. Ole Masi la lea, leo
Yes.
te ai fo e la e ina tata uso ma tō whawhine mai Fiti.
So they cut a template and then they print their mamanu onto their ua. using only brown and black. And it's interesting
Yeah,
because
I saw their work, and it's
yes,
just, these are the dominant colors.
right. Wallace and
Wow.
Futuna, right? We got that from beautiful, and we've seen them use a really small, almost like a quill pen, to do their small mamanu. Beautiful work, very intricate. We're very distinctly
Yoy.
different. This is, I'm sorry, this is just a small example of Tongan tapa. Now, this is more on the tourist side.
Okay.
Something that a visitor could go
Yeah.
and buy at their market. But Tongan tapa is actually ngatu, and they're large, and the women, they have a wonderful group of women. They get together and they do their ngatu, and I'm always very impressed.
I
with the
see a lot
work.
of these in regards to our Samoan artwork.
Yes.
Le whātau te le lawa I māketi.
That's right.
Ia o ngā fo I mō turisi mai lātou e asis mai tono tātou atunu. Ia o ngā luenga lava ne, o ngā luenga au artisi.
And then this last one I have here of differences in the
Yeah.
the Pacific. This is from Papua New Guinea. And they too, they use paper mulberry, but they also use a ficus tree to do their ua. And then their red, they put their black on first, and then the red is painted only by the women. And it's very symbolic of their utilization
This is
of their
intricate.
colors. That's very
Ia mantua
beautiful.
fo e la tātou Samoa. O nei mea uma e o fo I tātou usom tua whawhine mai Pasifika. E lava winga o nei mea uma. There's meaning. Sometimes they're metaphors.
Yes.
Something that relates
Iconography.
that relates to the natural environment or to
Yes.
the natural world.
That's
Okay.
right. And then, of
Malo.
course, we leave last but not least is our Samoan siapo. And I wanted to
Okay.
share this one. There's actually two, but this one,
Oh,
this
this
is
is
from my
beautiful.
great grandmother's board. And Auntie Lani Lea Laitafea and I, we worked on this siapo ele. I didn't highlight it because I love the patterns. So the board was given to me by my late Auntie Elsie Meredith Heinrich, and the board was used by her mother, Saiselu Tui Malea Li'ifano, who was a
Wow.
siapo maker, and this is her board. And it's my only heirloom I have of siapo making in our
So
family.
this will be your dowry.
Yes, yeah, that's my job. So this is siapo ele. They use the ele, the brown river rock, to do the rubbing on the board. And then it's 2-ply. Remember, I was telling you how the siapo makers like the
Yeah.
2-ply, 2 pieces to make it nice and strong for when you wear it or whatever you're going to use it for.
Sometimes they say this was our paper money.
Yes.
Yeah, in exchange na fo ia so I fo I lele pe ano no fo le tamaita ai masi ali ia o me nei sao ni fo ai nga wa fo ia tūlanga fa pena. This is beautiful,
Yeah,
Reg.
beautiful. I love it. I
this
like
is an
it
heirloom.
untouched with all the
Yeah.
highlight. Because oftentimes they'll highlight with the o'a, the brown, and just to enhance some of the mamanu that is there on the board. And oh my goodness, there's so many things that have modified throughout the
Yes,
years
yes,
based on
yes.
material. But I remember Sven always saying, you know, if you know your motifs, if you know your mamanu, and you're able to identify them, that will sustain you, even if the materials should happen to change a little.
Okay.
Right.
Ona o tātou prokalame fo e whaataua ia tangata ta whao mai whafo, mga luenga artisi. Ia ole nei fo I vai tāu teimi ole whaamai ne o corona. Ia wale o mai lava ia tangata siasi mai. Ia ai o talano atu le sunga Reggie. I mea lava nei whai lava na e no fo I tono o whale ma whai. Reg, we're going to talk about your recycle
Oh my God, okay.
your
Oh my
taulimas.
goodness, okay.
Taulimas.
Right, so as an artist, part of my thinking is to take something and recycle it. And we have such a wonderful wealth of resources here that I had gone into the store. Well, actually, I'd seen these tape dispensers, you know, they hold the tape, you know, like the
Yeah.
clear tape. And I was thinking, you know, maybe we could use these to recycle and create something with them. So, of course, from there led to, because
Yeah.
I'm a siapo maker, to doing a kaulima, or the
Wow.
bracelet. And
Ia,
so,
ai e tātou le mānaia.
right, so I
Nei
wrap
ngā
it with the
luenga,
ua.
yeah.
Yeah. And put on some patterns, like this is the aliau, fa'a aliau here, the troca shell. And actually, that's not my thinking. Mine's only the recycling, because Auntie Adeline was making them
Oh.
in her more mature years. She's making these bracelets. And I remember her pulling me aside one time and talking about them. And, she was very reserved in some of the work. Oftentimes she liked to do her work by herself. But I was so appreciative of her sharing that. And so I call these my Auntie Adeline bracelets as a memory to her, right?
Yeah, o isi fo ilanga luenga ne sa whaiele sunga le whaiaonga ya Reg. And I saw this on Facebook.
Right.
Wa le sunga fo ya Reg malonali o sua. Ya o tono le maota. Ya o lo iai fo inga luenga taulima. E mawhai fo talk about the time the tourists would stop by. I mean, not mass produced. Wa ne mef e nga luenga la vai la ua ya ma. Ya against COVID-19, warrior.
Right. And we always want to, think about our family and friends and others who are off island who are having to deal and cope with the COVID-19 right now. If you're watching the news, you see it constantly. Yeah. And I just thank God that we have our governor and our administration that is maintaining, keeping our borders closed, although we are thinking, of course, and praying for those who still want to come home. Right, and actually, I have something for you. So,
okay.
And it has to do with that same vein of thinking regarding. So that's your T-shirt. There.
Oh, thank you, Reg. And then, o isi nei ngā nuenga mi whai lawa la wa tisi la tau ana no foi i le whale ma whai o o le ifo intanga tai se simai o le si foi le ngā tā ua prokalama. Ina ia whaawau pia ngā nuenga a tisi. Ia o le asau no foi le sunga ya Reggie. I le mwhai o le whaatawatu nei tua i ngā luenga I lunga le interneti, right,
That's
Reg?
right.
Can you talk about that?
Yes. So part of
how you promote your art and sell the merchandise on.
All right, thank you for
online.
the question. Yes, and as an artist, I mean, my walk in the arts has been not to be mass producing something where I'm using a machine per se, especially with Siapo. I'm very connected towards using the most precious resources authentic and precious resources we have here. So lately, I've been making Siapo masks. When I saw the need for them, it was just thinking about what could we do? What would the ancestors do?
Yes.
And so this is for you.
Oh, okay.
I don't want to pull it out. Yeah, that's for you.
Oh, wow.
So I have been making Siapo
Look
masks.
at that. Siapo masks.
Right, and the dyes have become available based on the season. So right now the loa is blooming, and
look at that.
Turn it this way. Yeah, see, because this goes for your nose right here.
Let me try it.
No, turn it around. Turn it.
The other way around.
Yes,
wow.
like that. Yeah, I.
Yeah, vai mai tā sau Samoa.
Yeah, lalo. Yeah. You look cute in that. Okay, si mangaya.
Yeah, vai ai tātou. O ngā luenga la vai whai tono. O tātou atu nu. Tau le se tupete le now see, Reg, how much have you sold so far?
So far, handmade, because I do every one single-handedly. I have to beat the ua. I have to go and get the dyes. I just said that I just got the brown yesterday, and I've made about 130. So handmade. So in a week, I can probably make about 12 to 14 if I'm working diligently. So it's a lot of work.
The orders come in?
Yes, they come in through the internet.
Oh, okay.
And it's really a very old-fashioned style where they call, they would like to order something, and then we confirm, and then I make them, and I only send them on Thursdays because that's our one flight that comes to bring the mail and take the mail.
You mentioned something about tourists coming here, or people, would call. We want to stop by your studio, look at some of the artwork you have.
That's right. So Su'a Wilisone and I have kept our gallery in a means of interacting with others, almost on the old-fashioned style, where we're not booking straight away, but people find out about us by word of mouth, or others who have come to visit, and we open up our doors and we bring people in who want to learn something about the arts, about Samoa, and we show that Samoan hospitality. Come in and eat with us. Come and look at the artwork, and we also engage in work workshops when we can.
That's
and
right. You traveled with.
when we travel a lot,
Sua.
sharing the arts, especially Siapo and Tatao, and talking about the beauty and the uniqueness of American Samoa.
Reg, what can you say about tourism in general? Some people say, oh, we need more tourists here. Some people say, oh, we only have one airline. What's the use of setting all this up and no tourists?
I think American Samoa has many beautiful things to offer. Our people are loving and they're beautiful. I know, thinking back in 2008 when they came for the Pacific
Yes.
Festival of the Arts.
That was the best.
Oh my goodness, the people, they loved it. There was so many wonderful comments made about those 10 days with us. So there's an ability here to showcase what we have. I think what could happen on a more collegiate scale would be to offer something for young people who might want to go into that field of being hospitable, to be those people who share our cultural knowledge, to share some of our hospitality through our cuisine. And we could take it to that level where it's not so much about a mass population of tourism coming in, but enough that when they go back to where they've come from, they share and say, oh my goodness, American Samoa is one of the most beautiful places on earth. And it is. It really is. And I think maybe that would be a good approach. I don't know.
We
Is
have a
that too
beautiful
holistic
island.
or?
Well, they see now there what whamanga no mai au pe whaongane upo le o le whaalea ina yo o nganwe ngala watisi. Ina ua so ona whai ia mantu o tangata lava ia wa mass produce nei mea a nganwe ngala ia sa whai e tamama tina ai sa ngausia lava I latou lava lima ma whaonga ia mea umama tatou lau whanua So sometimes that kind of mass-produced work will destroy the authenticity.
Yes.
Ia po ngā luenga lava sa whai lava nai lo mātua le whale. Ia malalanga la tau whala matulanga whapena. Reg, I have one more question before we sing.
Okay.
What's your advice? Well, actually I have two.
Okay.
Because we're teachers. What do you see, how can we continue arts education in American Samoa?
It's a great question. Thank you. You know, teachers, I'm talking to teachers on this island. It's up to you to get the arts into your classroom, to integrate with science and math, technology, engineering, because we Samoans, we hail from a rich cultural past. Our ancestors have given us so much, a wealth of knowledge. And it's up to us teachers to really engage in interacting and providing that knowledge. I think that's a real pitch that I give to all of our educators is not to go just STEM, but to go STEAM and include those arts in the backs of the thinking. I know in all my years of teaching art, the young people here love to do art. They're so excited. And it really does help to instill remembering math and technology. It is very meaningful. Connecting,
I think the term back in the 80s is called across the curriculum.
That's right.
One last question before we sing. What's your advice to the artists these days?
Artists, you have to find your voice. Don't forget where you hail from. Look for the ancestral root to which you belong, and take baby steps. Take steps by step, and just nurture your inner calling. If you can do that, be it a musician, be it a writer, be it a filmmaker, photographer, a Samoan wood carver, any of those arts where you express yourself, those things are the talents of God, and they're given to you, and you should take them, take that gift, and go forth. I think that's my advice.
Ya Samoa o le au soatu ma pese mulmuli lava nei o pese nei ya e fata wai fo I le la e nei o le siapo ya I tono tato watanu ya apa fo e te fia pese a ya pese mai maua
please.
Memorial to I for your malo faanga I lo tato atunu ya e me se fo ita mama tina o tato ai nga lo mai mo mai atunu ma nei proclama o nei lava proclama tu fantasia la official American Samoa Visitors Bureau mo ina to o Soswani le nei lava tau tua mo tangata ta fa mai tono America Samoa. Ready, Reg?
I'm ready.
I'm not going to ask you to dance.
Please don't. I didn't practice. To go, lava, to go. Te Samoa E sulesia po E maeu le manaya Ia la menina malapa wa maleo Sauia o le toi pai toto Ole a se lo vai malolo La poia le tanga kanui le vale po Ia va atalaya Ia va atalatala Au mai se tala mai le wale sie Ewa koi mai lau malanga Sae tamilo ia Samoa
Samoa ia e talitono ia fo istaimi sa sia singa ngana a sia nga foi fa manga lo mai ma o nei fa na o nei o poe mangeo ia o le tu fine na ia Regina Fitiao Meredith fa manuia tele le atu al tatu atunu to fa so fua